What is link building and why does it matter? Introduction. Do you know what link building is and how it can help you improve your positioning? Content that is not visible on Google is as if it did not exist, no matter how much relevant information there is in that article. Therefore, when we write content for the blog, we will have to follow an SEO strategy to try to place it above the organic competition and thus be able to attract more visits. But in the same way that on-page SEO, these are all internal positioning factors. Off-page SEO, these are external positioning factors that you cannot control directly and that are also essential in an SEO strategy. Specifically, we are going to talk about a technique called link building, which is part of off-page SEO, with which you can increase your authority and better position your content in Google, which means more visits and more potential customers for your business. What link building in SEO? The link building technique consists of a series of actions focused on getting our website to be linked by others. In this way, we achieve web popularity, increase our domain authority and position ourselves better. Therefore, the objective of link building is to improve the SEO positioning of a website by building external links, also called backlinks. These links will indicate to Google that the linked content is of quality, because that website is recommending it. Thus, Google increases its authority. Of course, not all links are good. There are a series of requirements and conditions that you must know to carry out your link building strategy effectively. How to do link building? The most important thing of all is that the websites that link to us have a medium-high DA, domain authority, and that the links are included in the most natural way possible. In addition to this, there are some factors that you must take into account. Analyze your competitors and their links. A good link building strategy is based on a study of your organic competitors. For this, there is a very powerful tool called Ahrefs, from where you can spy on the link strategy of your competitors. You will be able to see how many backlinks they have and which sites have linked to them. Thus, you will be able to contact those pages and make them a collaboration proposal. Look for links on web pages related to your topic. It is very important that the pages with which you contact are related to your blog. If your blog is about nutrition, it doesn't make much sense to ask for a link to a blog that is about marketing. Google will reward you if you do so and will improve your DA. If you link to sites unrelated to your theme or sector, you will not be penalized, but you will not benefit either. Create quality content. By writing powerful and complete content, you will get other websites to link to you naturally in their content to provide complementary and relevant information to the reader. Links must be natural. When they link to you, Google understands that your site is being recommended. Therefore, putting them in a natural way will help Google understand that this content adds value to users. The anchor text must be coherent and related to the topic. Try to put different anchor texts. To do this, play with all its variations. An anchor text with keywords related to your business, 40%. With your brand name, 20%. Put the full URL, 20%, and other anchor texts with words, such as this article or click here, 20%. Find a balance between dofollow and nofollow link. Although dofollows are the ones that pass authority to the linked page, it is recommended to combine them with nofollow's links, since these provide more naturalness. Get links from different sites. It will not seem natural if the same website links to you 300 times. It is a better practice to get a single backlink from 300 different pages, even if the authority of all of them is not high. Effective SEO actions to get links. Remember that the important thing is to get links from different types of domains and IPs, and that these domains have authority, making it easier for Google to track through natural anchor texts with words related to your business, the name of your brand or keywords. Taking all this into account, here are some effective link building actions. Some people use clever captions alongside hashtags to complement the comment, while other people use more serious words. Ultimately, it's about maintaining consistency and focus. 1. Guest posting. Blogging is the most natural way to get backlinks, and it is that in addition to getting these links, collaborating with other bloggers will help you increase your visibility and improve your reputation. All you have to do is contact the sites that interest you to write a guest article, create a link with that blogger, and start a joint collaboration. For example, with Ahrefs, by spying on your competition, you can get an idea of which pages accept guest posts. Or if you prefer, you can do a Google search using some commands like these: keyword plus guest post, keyword plus entitle right for us, entitle right for us. However, you must be careful not to overdo it. Images can be used to spice up your posts and make them closer, but they shouldn't be the only way you communicate. They are to substitute certain words, evoke reactions, and describe emotions to your followers. 2. Exchange of links. If the page with which you contact and your blog share related topics, you can reach an agreement to exchange links, as long as it is done naturally within an article and leaving a time between the publication of each link. If you do it at the same time and very often, you can be penalized because Google will see it as something unnatural. 3. Sponsored links. You can use tools, such as Kubus or Publicites, that make it easier for you to find sites to buy links through sponsored posts. On these platforms, you will be able to contact blog editors on topics that interest you and give them the guidelines in a briefing, so that they write content on a specific topic and put a specific link to your site. 4. Find broken links. Another effective link building action is finding broken links from sites that link to another page with relevant content. If that link is broken, you can contact the owner of the site, inform him about the 404 error he has, and propose your link to replace it. 5. Optimize content that receives a lot of backlinks. If you find content on your site that is getting a considerable number of backlinks, analyze if you can optimize it to improve its SEO, expanding it with relevant information, and distributing the keyword appropriately, so many more pages will put a link on their sites naturally.